Welcome to Growth Rocks Podcast, the podcast powered by Gen AI. Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and embrace the multi-hustle life? We're diving deep into the world of polyworking and marketing.
I'm all ears. It's like the gig economy on steroids, right? But specifically for marketers. What's the deal with this polyworking thing anyway?
Exactly. Think portfolio career slasher. It's all about juggling multiple roles. One marketer might be running email campaigns for a startup, consulting for a couple of clients, and launching their own e-commerce store on the side.
Whoa. So not just side hustles, but actual, jobs?
Precisely. And it's not just about the money, though. That's definitely a perk. It's about autonomy, skill development, and hedging against job insecurity. This article from Growth Rocks breaks it down beautifully.
So, why now? Why is polyworking suddenly so hot?
Well, remote work has been a huge catalyst. Tools like Slack, Zoom, they make juggling multiple gigs way easier. Plus, let's be real, the financial pressures are intense these days. Polyworking can be a lifeline.
True. And I see how it could be incredibly empowering for marketers. You're constantly learning, building your network.
Absolutely. But it's not all sunshine and roses, right? Burnout is a real risk. The article talks about the importance of boundaries and time management.
Yeah, I can imagine. It's a delicate balance. Any tips for someone considering dipping their toes into the polyworking waters?
Start small, one extra gig at a time. Find roles that complement your existing skills. And for goodness sake, get organized. Calendars, to-do lists, your best friends in this game.
Solid advice. And what about the potential for conflict with employers? Is that a concern?
Definitely something to be mindful of. Transparency is key, but also know your contracts. Some companies have strict rules about outside work.
Good point. So it sounds like polyworking is more than just a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about careers, especially in marketing.
Totally agree. This Growth Rocks article paints a really compelling picture of this new landscape. It's like the future of work is here, and it's multifaceted.
Fascinating stuff. Thanks for breaking it down.
Absolutely. And to everyone listening, thanks for tuning in to Growth Rocks Podcast. We'll catch you next time.